Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset the Narwal Freo Pro. If you're interested in this product, be sure to shop the link in the video description to stay up to date for the latest deals and discounts. So, a factory restart is different from a reset. A reset is a simple reboot, just turning it on and off. This will be a full-fledged restart. So, in order to do that, we got to remove the cover. It just comes right off. And we have our reset button right here. Grab a paper clip, SIM removal tool, and you'll want to press this button. We're going to hold it down for about 15 seconds and then let go. I've noticed that there's no change when we're holding it down. It should be 10 to 15 seconds and then a light or a chime. But in our case, if we just hold it down till we hit 15 seconds and let go, then it starts to conduct the factory reset. So just grab your tool. We're going to press it. Should be 15 seconds. Now we're going to let go and watch what happens. The light went solid. We'll have a voice prompt.
System resetting completed after power on.
So there we go. It'll power off, then power back on. We'll have a chime. You'll know when it's back on. You'll hear the vacuum again. The LiDAR will start to spin.
Powering off.
Powers off with the voice prompt. Power button is blue. Power button's off. Blue again. Then to white. It's booting up. The light's blinking. We just heard the startup music. Side brush is just spun and the LiDAR module is moving. So it's booted back up. That's it. You have now successfully reset your Narwal Freo Pro.